Here's how to scrape the Instagram stories of any creator without any coding knowledge. For this, we will use the Instagram scraper from nifty.codes. Just download it for your browser. Now go to a creator story, then press on the extension. Then press Extract Stories. As you can see, we extracted the stories this creator have. Now simply just press Add to Export List. You can also extract multiple creator stories in the same list. So here I went to a different creator, and it added the stories of this creator. Now press Add to Export List. Now to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. If you want to change the name or the order or the data itself, you can easily do that. Just go back to the extension. Make sure this pop-up is open. Then press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here you can shape the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is the new customized data.